Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take problem on overhang beam with inclined point load, uniformly distributed load and a couple. Our problem statement is draw the axial force, shear force and bending moment diagram for the beam as shown in the figure. So this is the figure given in the problem. Determine the point of contraflexure if any. So we have this loading diagram of the beam. We have at point A a hinge support and at point D a roller support, and we have between point A and B a uniformly distributed load of 8 kN per meter. Then we have a couple, anti-clockwise couple of 10 kN meter magnitude at point C, and at point C we see there is a inclined point load, and this load is inclined with horizontal line of beam by 60 degree. Then we also see that at point E there is an anti-clockwise moment of 4 kN meter. Then again at point E we have inclined load of 12 kN meter, and this time it is inclined with the horizontal by 45 degree. Now we see that part DE of the beam is the overhang. So now let's solve the problem. First we'll resolve this inclined point loads into its vertical and horizontal component. So the vertical component of this inclined load 20 kN will be, there will be a downward force of 20 sine 60 and a leftward force of 20 cos 60. Also there will be a vertical downward force of magnitude 12 sine 45 and a rightward force of 12 kN into cos 45. So now let's show the support reactions. We'll assume that the vertical support reaction at point A is upward and will be denoted as VA. And also, since horizontal forces are acting, your hinge support A will also provide horizontal support reaction, and let that support be rightward denoted by HA. Also at roller support D there will be a vertical support reaction and it will be denoted as VD.